CBDCs are much like regular cash, except instead of having cash in a physical wallet, it will be in what we call a digital wallet. And in this video, we'll be debunking some of the common myths around digital currencies. CBDCs are not a cryptocurrency. So firstly, they will be issued by the central bank. They will be regulated and subject to all of the payment regulations that, say, MasterCard and Visa are subject to. And they'll always be able to maintain singleness, which is this idea that a unit of the digital pound will always be convertible to one physical unit of pound cash. CBDCs does not necessarily disintermediate banks. Most of your holdings or your wealth will still be in bank deposits. And the digital pound itself is not meant to be an interest-bearing instrument. Instead, it's meant to be used for sort of day-to-day payments of goods and services, much like regular physical cash. So CBDCs, in principle, should retain privacy of payments. It may be possible for the government to screen fraudulent transactions, but for your day-to-day payments, it should be fully private. Physical cash will still be part of our payment architecture, so it's not like CBDC will replace physical cash. It will just be an additional item on the menu of payment systems that you can use. And the idea is that for individuals who don't want physical cash, this is essentially your closest substitute to physical cash.